Welcome to the explainer. Look, अगर आप 2026 में AI का सही फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं तो ये 3 AI skills आज ही सीख लीजिए. You really need these. ये skills आपका समय बचाएंगी और कमाई के नए मौके भी खुल सकती हैं. Let's break down exactly how you can adapt and actually thrive in this new landscape.
Okay, let's dive right into this. There's a thought going around that if you don't learn these specific skills by 2026, your career could just straight up fail. Sounds a little dramatic, right? But honestly, it's kind of the reality for anyone trying to build a solid career trajectory right now. If you ignore these tools, you are essentially competing with one hand tied behind your back against people who are literally automating half their workload. There's just no way you win that race.
Now, I know exactly what you might be thinking right now. क्या बिना कोडिंग के AI skills सीख सकते हैं? Well, take a deep breath, because I've got great news for you. You do not need to write a single line of code. Zero. Modern AI is built entirely for natural language. If you can speak and type, you already have the foundation. It's really that simple. So here's our quick roadmap for today. 1. The career threat in 2026. 2. Skill 1. Prompt writing. 3. Skill 2. Visual content. 4. Skill 3. AI automation. And 5. How you can start today. All right, Section 1, Career Threat in 2026, and why AI is absolutely not optional anymore. Listen, just having a college degree, it simply isn't enough to stand out anymore. Employers and freelance clients in 2026 are looking for a completely different kind of profile. They want problem solvers, people who can use AI to automate repetitive tasks, manage complex data, and basically multiply their output. They don't just want you to do the work, They want you to build the systems that do the work faster. Which brings us to skill 1, prompt writing. This is literally the foundation of everything AI. The difference between an amateur and a pro here is massive. AI से अच्छा result चाहिए तो सही prompt लिखना सीखिए. Think about a basic prompt like write about productivity. You're going to get a super boring generic response. But a 2026 smart prompt, something like write a detailed article with practical productivity tips for students, adds constraints and format goals. It's a night and day difference. जितना स्पष्ट और डिटेल्ड आपका प्रॉम्प्ट होगा उतना ही बेहतरीन आउटपुट मिलेगा. ये हर AI टूल की सबसे ज़रूरी स्किल है. But hey, let's elevate this for 2026. The days of manually tweaking basic settings, they're kind of over. Now we use advanced strategies, things like reasoning effort control, chain of symbol for spatial tasks, or DSP 3.0 compiling. Basically, we're asking a heavy, incredibly smart AI to write the instructions for smaller, faster models. Manual prompt writing is becoming a thing of the past. Today, it's all about knowing how to guide the system to do the heavy lifting for you. Moving on to skill 2, visual content. This is all about earning with images and video. आज AI की मदद से प्रोफेशनल फोटो, थंबनेल, पोस्टर और वीडियो मिनटों में बनाए जा सकते हैं. We're talking about incredibly powerful tools like Nano Banana Pro for native 4K, Midjourney V.1 for super fast HD, and GPT Image 2 for perfect text rendering. They literally replace hours of tedious Photoshop work. So, अगर आप YouTube, Instagram या किसी बिजनेस के लिए कंटेंट बनाते हैं, तो ये स्किल आपके लिए बेहद काम की है. Now, what's really interesting here is the complex architecture happening behind the scenes when we generate video from text. It's all about spatiotemporal synchronization. Without getting bogged down in the math, these models use advanced syncing to make sure a generated video doesn't just flicker and morph wildly, right? It keeps the subjects perfectly accurate across frames so the motion looks completely natural. It's mind-blowing tech. All right, skill 3, AI automation. This is your ultimate time saver. Think about this absolutely wild fact for a second. 78% of customers buy from the first business that responds to them. 78%. Yet most businesses take hours or even days to reply. बार-बार होने वाले काम जैसे ईमेल लिखना, डेटा व्यवस्थित करना, सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट तैयार करना या रिपोर्ट बनाना, इन सबको AI की मदद से ऑटोमेट किया जा सकता है. Fixing a business's slow response time is a highly lucrative service you can easily offer. Let's look at a real-world use case you could literally build and sell tomorrow. Step 1, a lead fills out an online form. Step 2, an AI automation platform catches that data instantly. Step 3, the AI generates a personalized SMS based on their specific inquiry and shoots them a Calendly link to book an appointment right then and there. You can set this up once and easily charge a local business over $1,000 for it simply because you are directly increasing their revenue. It's a total game changer. But to build these properly, you absolutely need the right engine. Pick the wrong pricing model and it will break your budget when you scale. Zapier is great if you're non-technical, but it charges per task, meaning a multi-step AI loop gets very expensive very fast. Make is excellent for visual, mid-complexity workflows. But if you're building complex, high-volume AI workflows with thousands of executions, NAN is for sure the strongest choice in 2026 because it charges per workflow execution, not per individual task. Knowing the difference here is absolutely vital.
Section 5. Start today. Your action plan.
So the crucial point is this. Focus on the future-proof 3. Start practicing detailed prompt writing today. Play around with AI image and video creation. Experiment with AI automation. इससे समय बचेगा और आपकी productivity कई गुना बढ़ जाएगी. Pick just one today. Dedicate maybe 20 minutes to it and watch how quickly it completely changes the way you work.
And that brings us to the end of our explainer. अगर आपको ऐसी AI टिप्स और नए टूल्स के बारे में सीखना है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट में बताइए कि आप सबसे पहले कौन सी AI स्किल सीखना चाहते हैं. Let's get to work!